Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to see private accounts on Twitter. As you've noticed, like while browsing Twitter, some accounts are private, so you can't see their posts or their replies or their tweets or anything. But today I'm going to show you how to see them. So if we just look for a private account by searching like private accounts on Twitter, just like for an example account, it doesn't have to be this specific account. You can see the first result is a private account, and if we go ahead and click on it, we can't actually see any tweets. It says these tweets are protected. So the way you can see the tweets is just by following them. And once they approve you as a follower, you'll be able to see their tweets, their replies, like all their activity. But just make sure that they accept your follow request. And most people should accept it, but that's basically how you see their tweets and their replies and stuff. So that's all I have for today. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next video.